Now guys, guess whose opinion we were waiting for concerning the whole Bahati and Diana Marua's breakup drama? Well, you got it right, Ringtone's once, because according to many, there's no story Ringtone doesn't know as long as it happens in this Nairobi and it involves celebrity, especially Bahati and Willy Paul. And now, this guy has finally come through and weighed in on the whole Bahati and Diana Marua breakup rumors, where he came through and said something nice. Yeah, he came through and advised Diana Marua to go back to Bahati because in this Nairobi it is very difficult to find a potential husband, bro. And it is not that there is no potential husbands out there, they are all over, but the problem is they are fearing the ladies of today. You feel me? Anyways, man, Ringtone, alongside with that, you guys already know that he had to add some spices on the whole story, and we know it is all to make it entertaining. And now that Ringtone has spoke, here is what he had to say.
Kuna watu nasikia wananiwekelea hapo wanasema Ringtone eti jana eti nilikuwa na bibi ya Bahati Diana. Mimi nataka tu niseme ukweli ni kwamba Diana alinitafuta for advice na nikamwambia arudi kwa Bahati. Nikamwambia hii town kupata bwana ni ngumu. So nilimwambia Diana wewe rudi kwa Bahati. Na Diana rudi kwa Bahati. Hii mambo tumeanza kusikia drama. Mimi sitaki kuwekelea nimenyang'anya Bahati bibi. Siwezi taka rudi ya Bahati mimi. Diana rudi kwa Bahati tu. Na maneno hiyo tengenezeni. Kupata bwana ni ngumu, kupata bibi ni ngumu. Mimi hata naona mimi niko na pesa na nimekosa Yesu tu ndio niko na yeye. So Diana rudi kwa Bahati na mzuri mambo yenu. Mungu awabariki. Sawa.
Ringtone, I thought he would come through and congratulate Diana for parting ways with Bahati, but instead this guy is acting as a good mediator, bro. You know, Kikofi Annan bringing Bahati and Diana Marua together. Anyways, man, that is what Ringtone had to come through and say, you know, while advising Diana Marua to go back to Bahati. And well, that is what's up. What do you guys think about his sentiments right there? Go ahead and tell us down in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, blisga.ke, and I'll see you in the next one.